So for the last pillow, this is a pinwheel pillow, pretty much the same. So you're more than capable of making the little blocks to go along with it. But the point that I wanted to make with this lesson was that with these four pieces right here, you're going to make your half square triangles. So the easiest way to do that is to click on this lettering shape function we've been using and go to vertical line and put in a vertical line, drag it over here, maybe lengthen it a little bit, and then go into your transform window, which is this little square here. And at the bottom, you'll see that there is not only mirror image right to left and top to bottom, but there's two rotate 90 degrees to the right and 45 degrees to the right. So what we're going to do is click on 45 because what that will do is give us that cut line right here. See? So if you cut it with your machine, then you'll have, let me get in here and zoom, okay? You want to be able to see that you're going to go right through. We're going to move this one up a little bit more, see, right there on the corner. And then we're going to drag this one through like that. And there it is. Oh, there's my mistake right there. I was looking and seeing, why is it off? Well, it's at 45.7. Well, we're just going to get rid of that point 0.7 and hopefully it's 45 point. And now it's exactly point to point. So as I've been doing is I'm going to go Control D. Oops. And I have a mess. Actually, what it is the box that went around that line. So by having that box go around that line, that's why you saw that mess. So there's one. Now let's put this one back where it belongs. Might want to lengthen it too. There. So it cuts. Alrighty. And then these two, we have to check and make sure that that's a cut line. So if you can't grab the cut liner right away, go down to the film strip and double check that these are cut lines. There's my cut line right there and right there. All right, then I'm going to box select and grab both of those and attach it so that the software knows it needs to cut that. Now what happened to my other one? Ah, it didn't grab it? All right, undo. Okay, so you see how these are way down here? What I need to do is I need to be able to have them right next to one another. So I'm going to see if I can drag this down like this. It's not going to let me. Nope. So let's group those first. And then, oh, this is interesting. I haven't had that happen before. All right, undo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them one at a time. Do those two and attach. And then I'll do these two. Didn't grab it. Let's try it again. Okay, let's grab it down here. Now, where's the other one? We're missing a white box. It's right there. Okay, we got a little mess here. I'm going to ungroup it. And now I have it because that one was grouped. So, grouped rather. This one. Well, let's do multi-select. I didn't say this was going to be easy, so there we go. Attach. And then this one's already attached. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to move this one. See if I can get it down here. Nope. Yes. All right. And then this one, I don't want my files jumping all over cutting. Well, we'll see if it works. No, didn't work. Boo-hoo. But this is the only way that I know of to move things around. Wonder if I take it down and put it just before this one. No, didn't work. Okay, I give in. I don't struggle too much with this. It's going to do what it wants to do at the moment. Okay, so back again here. I'm going to pick the shapes and I'll pick a vertical line. This time you know what I think I'll do? I wonder if I can do this. Whoops. Let's try and get this at 45. It's 45.9. We got to get that up. 45. There we go. We'll put this at the top right corner and drag it down here. Okay. Now let's try copy and paste and see if it acts wonky. So here's copy with the 2 pages. Still same difference. Oops, it copied it. Now I have to paste it. Now what do I get? Oh, I get it. There we go. Okay, so put it up here on the corner like that. And I'll do the same thing over here. There at the corner. Bring it down here so they intersect. Then I'm going to attach it one at a time under the path cut. Okay, no. Where's my attach? It disappeared. Well, that's interesting. See if I can right click. No. Oh. Huh. I don't know what I did. Hmm. All right, let's do one at a time. Oh, I know. I gotta ungroup this. See, I gotta ungroup that. There's the attach. Okay, now maybe it'll work. So I'm gonna grab this, box select, and then grab it. Well, it figures it's the last one of the night. It's gonna give me fits. No. Well, that's weird. All right. Now I'm going to attach that one. No, then also I'll just duplicate it. Okay. I'll go to this one, not that one, and that one. See, it's not. Okay, this is where I look to see, did I do something? And sure enough, I did. I know you can't see that, but I can. Looks like I locked it. So let me unlock it. There. Now I can do it. I must have somehow clicked on top of that lock right there. Interesting, isn't that? Now I'll attach it. So just remember, play around, don't give up, and you'll notice that think about grouping and ungrouping. Maybe it's not working because it's grouped. And then if you accidentally lock it, like you see right here, see, these are locked. And the reason they're locked is so they don't move. So if I went ahead and locked that, and then I tried to do something with it, it's not going to let me grab it. See, this is the one that's locked. So now I'm going to unlock it. And I am going to save this. I'm going to save that as 5 pinwheel because I want to change to 5. I want to add, oh my, I don't want that one. I want this one. It's getting late. 5 pinwheel. That's what I want. Because the first one you received didn't have that cut line. I forgot to put that in. So now you're all good to go. It'll make your half square triangles and then you can just sew them up. And there you go. So if you have any questions, just let me know. At least try. Give it a good try. And if you have any questions, just ask. All righty. Bye-bye. Stop share and